Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today we're going to be going into a Menards walkthrough. If you guys don't know what Menards is, it's probably because you're not from the Midwest. So Menards is a lot like Lowe's or Home Depot, but on steroids kind of. They have a lot of different areas that you don't find in Lowe's or Home Depot. Now, the difference being Menards does not have a 10% back for military or anything like that, but they do have an 11% back rebate. So you're not getting it instantly at checkout. You enter the rebate number or whatever on your receipt, you get 11% back. So still a good discount, just not instant. So I'm gonna be going through all of their tools and showing you their brand as well, Masterforce. Now, like Menards, just like Lowe's or Home Depot, they have all sorts of different brands from China, Taiwan, Germany, and USA, a wide variety of different tools. So I'm gonna show all of those to you as well as some pricing. And then I'm gonna go through their toolboxes as well. So we're gonna be going through hand tools, power tools, toolboxes, and all of that. And I really hope you guys enjoy. So if you guys don't have Menards in your area, maybe you're passing through the Midwest, you can stop at one if you're looking for tools. If you enjoy this video and find some of these deals to be something to your liking. If you don't plan on going through the Midwest, you could check out their website, menards.com. I've never personally bought anything from the Menards website, so I don't know what the experience is there, but it's worth a shot. I don't know. But I've always enjoyed shopping at Menards. I find a lot of good deals there, and you're gonna see some of those deals today. As far as their toolboxes, the Masterforce ones are amazing toolboxes. It's just like the US General. I consider one of the best toolboxes, bang for your buck toolboxes. You're really getting a lot for the amount that you're paying for the toolbox, and that's the way the Masterforce boxes are at Menards. They're gonna have their lower quality boxes that are some other brand. You'll see it in the videos and I'll discuss them, but their Masterforce boxes are really good boxes for the price, as well as some of their other tools. So we're gonna get into it, and I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Let's get into this. Here we're looking at just some grease guns. This is their cheaper brand, Performax. You can see a couple different items here. Here's a hook and pick set for $15. A lot more affordable than the Icon set. Maybe not quite as nice, but you get a lot more for a better price. So I think that's a great deal right there, as well as other miscellaneous little bits and pieces here. Here we have some of their corded tools. As you can see, they have Bosch and Matiba or Tabo, I don't know how to pronounce it, whatever, Skill. So like they have some higher end stuff, and then it moves into their lower end Black & Decker and Skill and stuff like that, but they do have some good branded power tools here. Next we'll be looking at some of the cordless power tools, their Masterforce series, which is all Menards brand, which is supposed to be pretty decent stuff with some decent pricing as well. I've never used the Masterforce brand. I know a few people who do and have really had good luck with it. And then they have some Bosch stuff. And then if you guys want to see more in-depth videos on some of these brands or any of these tools, please let me know. I can actually go back and dedicate maybe a video to just their cordless power tools and stuff like that. But here I'm just kind of showing you some of their lineup. They're sold out of quite a bit of stuff, but once again, we're kind of moving into their cheaper brand stuff as we go down the line. A decent amount of cordless power tools. Moving into their toolboxes, this is a Masterforce box, really nice, 24 inches deep, and you can get them in various widths, which is nice, and they're very affordable. So you have a top and a bottom here for around $800. And they're nice, double slides, ball bearing slides. They have the lift handle to lock the drawers and all of that. This one has a little bit of overhang. Not all the Masterforce boxes are like that. They do have different levels of Masterforce boxes, but this is a really nice one for the price, definitely. And then we're going to be taking a look at some of their cheaper boxes. Here's a Performax one, which is kind of like a cheaper version of the Husky. It didn't have the soft close, but I'm almost guaranteeing it's basically or probably the same factory that makes the Husky boxes, but just without some of the features. But once again, this is a very affordable box as well, just not as of quality as the Masterforce ones. And then they have some Craftsman and other brands as well. This is that same box. It's got that magnetic rail on the back, just like the Husky one, as well as a power strip in the corner of the top. all of that. So you can definitely tell how it resembles my Husky box, minus the soft close drawers. Here's a cheaper Performax one. This almost reminds me of Yukon or Husky, you know, definitely not, you know, professional grade, but if you're just looking for a small box around the house, this one's decent. It's definitely thin metal. This one had some damage done to it when it was assembled or something, so it didn't shut right. But here's another Masterforce box, the whole latch across the handle. You get mats for every drawer. I really like the way these drawers open and close. This one is actually flush to the drawer above it, so that is nice. The 2,000 pounds for overall capacity. Double slides once again on any larger drawer, which is really nice. You don't find that on cheaper boxes. They have nice casters on them. It has a power strip on the exterior on the side, $450, and then you can also get side cabinets as well, or side drawers. This one I want to say was 320 bucks, so pretty nice, and you can mount it to the side. Here's some of the pricing options for the larger toolboxes, tops and bottoms, and then total. You can see a power strip up in the top. This is just the top portion of a box, but once again 24 inches deep, so you have some good depth there. It's not a soft close. You do just kind of have to push it past that locking system. And then you have a longer drawer at the very bottom. Here is the big toolbox that they had on display. The latch release, power handles, ball bearing slides, nice casters. Here's all the pricing for the different size boxes, whether you just buy the bottoms, tops, or the total package. Side cabinets, side lockers, power drawers, all of it. I mean, they have a wide variety. Here you can just kind of see what they offer if you would like to pause and take a closer look at it. But definitely a wide variety, but I'm about to show you what they have on display, which is their 72-inch, just the bottom portion, that latch that runs all the way across the top, or across the drawer. This one does come out all the way. There's no overhang on it, so that is nice, so you get full depth there. Nice big drawers, shallow drawers and deep drawers. Here are the power strips on the right hand side by the handle. You get some nice beefy casters with it. Here they have the big bottom drawer. Once again, double slides. Opens and closes really nicely as well. So overall, I think these are great boxes for the price. Here are some of them that are still packaged and the pricing that goes along with them. 41, 36, 30-inch. Here's a 41-inch bottom. Moving along to the 30-inch bottom. And then here is a triangular box for mobile mechanics or workbench style box. These are great. My father has one and it is fantastic. Here's just some of their organizers. I'll show you the box here in just one second. So here we'll go ahead and open it up. Masterforce series. A lot of different pegs for sockets and wrenches and screwdrivers and all of it. It's got a wide variety, some carrying handles on the sides, and a nice shock strut to open and close the lid. Then we have their pry bars and punches and stuff. Here's the Masterforce. They have willed and the Masterforce striking pry bar set. This is the same one that I have from Craftsman. You know, you can get it from Tecton, Hyper Tough. A lot of brands use them. But that one was the most affordable, being at $25 instead of the standard $32 to $40. Here you can see a wide variety of different pliers and cutters, and we'll get a little bit closer in depth into some of these. If you guys want to see more reviews on any of these, please let me know. But they have their Masterforce series, some Knipex over here, which is fantastic. Yes, it's pronounced Knipex. Don't come at me with that. Watch a video on it. Very good pricing on those as well. And then they have their Channellock series as well. Very good pricing on those. Also, remember, you get an 11% rebate when you type in the code on your receipt. Their Masterforce pliers, they actually do have a really nice lineup of those as well. Here's some of their slip joints, which, just like my SK and some other brands that I've come to know, has a nice flush pivot point. No ball or anything like that. This is some of their miniature pliers, and these are actually really nice that you don't really see through any other brands. I saw some here, really nice pricing on some really nice pliers. So I was really interested in a few sets of these I might be going back for. Here is the best tool set you can buy. Boom, 51 piece garbage. Here is some gear wrench ratcheting wrenches, $29 or $30. Really good pricing on that if you're looking for just a cheaper small set of ratcheting wrenches. Some Craftsman stuff. I'm not big into the Craftsman stuff. Here we're looking at the 176 piece set for $150. Seems to be a pretty nice kit. Wide variety of shallow and deep sockets, wrenches, 3 drive size ratchets, some pliers, adjustable wrench and such. Here's a speed T handle. I have this same one through Craftsman. It's a great little buy, 20 bucks. Some more of their Craftsman and other brand tools. Some of their smaller socket sets, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch and 3/8 combination. Some torque sticks. Very affordable stuff. Here's a 220 piece set for $75, which I thought was a great deal. So if you're looking for one of those styles, I think that's a great deal. Here's a 125 piece set for 100 bucks. So they definitely have some nice socket sets for some decent prices. And they also have available sockets to buy. So if you're ever missing one, you can actually replace it here, unlike some places like Harbor Freight. So this is really nice to have both chrome and impact sockets as well as wrenches. So if you lose a wrench, not just break it because you could warranty it, but if you lose it, then at least you can get it replaced and not have to buy a whole nother set. Here's some of their other Craftsman stuff. Like I said, I'm not big into the Craftsman stuff. I feel like a lot of it's overpriced. Some of the gimmicky Craftsman stuff. A nice little nut driver set. And then you move into some of their individual screwdrivers. Got some pretty decent prices, $3, $4, $5. Here's some of their cheaper sets. The wrenches, once again, also affordable, couple dollars. So if you're missing one, you got that hex open end, 12-point box end. Some decent chrome on it. They have ratcheting flex head wrenches, regular ratcheting wrenches. I mean, they have a wide variety of wrenches, and they're fairly decent. So you could build your own set if you wanted to as well. And here's some of their cheaper sets that they have put together. Some of their torque wrenches, they have both electronic and the standard style with a pull tab, so it is nicer than that twisting the nut on the bottom. Here's some of their impact socket sets for around $40. So some decent stuff there. Once again, more of their individual stuff and the pricing on them. So even the larger wrenches are fairly affordable. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.